Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be opening up or unboxing this pencil case that I ordered. It just came in and it's to help store my pencils, my 174 shuttle art pencil case that I got. This bag's actually kind of nice. And I have some other colored pencils, the 48 Prismacolors. I think I'm missing one pencil there. And then I also have these pencils. I bought these years ago. I don't even remember where from. Let me see what company this is. It says Low, let me see, Low Cornell. And I think, I counted them, I think I have 37 of those pencils, so I'm sure I'm probably missing some. I just swatched them out earlier today just to see. But here's the case, and I hope it tells me how many. I want to say maybe 250 or so, because I want to keep, besides the 174, then these pencils here, my Prismacolor, and if I can fit my watercolor pencils in there as well, I would love to do that. So it has several compartments here, so let's go ahead and start opening them. And it looks like you can put one pencil or maybe two per band. So that's one, that's two. Let's see. So that's three. And here's the last one. So it has four. So it has four, and then this last one here, maybe it's the first one, has two larger, and even this one here has a little bit of a larger space, which might be nice because that means I can keep my pencil sharpeners in here, maybe my regular pencils if I want to do drawing, maybe special pencils in here. So that's actually kind of nice. I like that. I don't remember what the name of the company is, but here's the handle that you can pull and hold it this way. So I'm looking forward to, let's see if just to show you, put pencils in there. I don't know if it'll hold more than one, but let's see. Yeah, it will. So it can definitely hold all my pencils. So I'm looking forward to starting to do that. I will probably do like one sleeve for my Prismacolors, then wherever my shuttle art pencils will fit in, and then these pencils. Just have to figure out, I've been looking and asking on YouTube, what other colorists do, if they do it by family, by number, and it seems like they do it, more or less starting like the rainbow or the color family, to keep them that way. But it is nice and sturdy. So I do like this, and I really do like having this little extra here where maybe I could put my eraser and pencil sharpener. That would be kind of cool. And maybe maybe a micron pen and a regular pencil just to have as part of that. So let's see. I just want to see if it had any other pockets. No, but it is, again, nice and sturdy. I'm going to have to figure out what the name of the company was, and I will put that in the description box. But if you store your pencils in a different way, do you use the rainbow? Do you keep all your pencil brands together, or do you mix and match? And what other types of pencil storage do you use? I saw that they have cases where you can roll them up, but I wanted a large storage case just because of the amount of pencils that I have. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye.